Kani Gadega Patrisi TV.
Kaskul Mokhar Christian Academy Mintau Snem Kalakin George Karata Kabasispa Arpsan Snem Hakajing Yat Linti Jongka Ban Pensu Thiet Yakajing Nang Jing Start Umtang Hakani Kanong Ba Shillong Ndre Kajalahi Borokaway Shibenta Ban Pensana Miuniu Maumer Hakasau Tarik Urisau Kani Kaskul Kala Pleperdai Kajing Rakhi Yakani Kalinku Snem Dakajing Yelang Kabashipor Hakabalai Thu Khana Linkot Alor Kajing Yat Linti Jongkani Kaskul Hakini Ki Shispa Arpsan Snem Balalen Hakani Kajing Yelang Lon Ringkat Ru Commentary Bakmi Yakatanat Puli Puti Haka Benta Jongka Higher and Technical Level Kabadeiru Ka MLA Ka Mokhar Constituency Ka Kong Roshan Wazri Kabalong Ka Kongsan Hakani Ka Jingalang Hashua Bansang Yakani Ka Jingalang Labu Shua Haka Jingduwai Yakabala Pendap The Reverend B.R. Karnayor Ubalong President Ka Managing Committee Jongkani Ka School La Priang Sungobhai Kinong Wan Yashim Benta The Principal Ba RSM Palakin tiyo kalama jongkani ka jingrakhi Reverend DCM kadba ka Menteri Sorkar Kong Roshan Wajri kala audio ribbon ban pli yaki yang hostel ka pathumai jongkani ka school
We can well understand that a school, Mokhar Christian Higher Secondary School, which was established 125 years ago, we have also witnessed the presentation, the history of the school as a whole, the milestones and the achievements in different aspects, in different sectors. These alumni, the past students of the school, who now are leaders in different fields, contributing so much so to the welfare and the socio-economic condition of our society and of the state and the country as a whole. Mokhar Christian Higher Secondary School has rendered quality and wholesome education from generations to generations. This quadricentennial Jubilee celebration is an event that links the endeavors of the past with the hopes of the future.
Kani Kadega Pati CTV.